Hello South Haven teachers. This is a quick video on adding extra points to an assignment if you want to have extra credit points. If you'd like to add extra credit points to an assignment, you can specify that while you're creating the assignment. The first thing is you need to make sure that you have points selected and not percent. You can't add extra points if percent is selected. Then you'll come over here to where it says plus extra points. Click that button. And then you can specify how many extra points you would like. And then just make sure to hit save and close before you finish editing that assignment. Now if you need to go back and add extra points to an assignment that you've already created, you can do that as well. You'll just go up here to grading and click on assignment list. And then while you're in the list of your assignments, you can click on the pencil and it will bring up that assignment. Then you can go ahead and add your extra points if you need them. Hope this helps.